Welcome back, folks. So if you study history, especially history of cocktails, there's lots of interesting little subcultures and things that happen. So tonight we are having an English drink, actually started by Winston Churchill, obviously Prime Minister during dark hours of World War II, and I mean, an important figure in history and in British history and in cocktail history. He had some interesting ones. Huge cigar smoker, I mean, interesting guy, would take, baths every day and champagne for lunch, and you know how it goes. But this is the Churchill Martini. It's super simple. It's only got 2 ingredients, okay? You got a gin. Now you chose Plymouth gin. This is going to be a neutral one. And then you have an extra dry vermouth. Okay, so the instructions for the Churchill Martini is 2.5 ounces of a good British gin. All right, since this one has been around since 1793, I consider that a good British gin. Now, you start by stirring it around in your mixing glass to cool that cocktail down and dilute it a bit. And here's where Churchill established his influence in this cocktail. Okay? You add your Hawthorne strainer and get your glass. Yes, this is a whiskey. Now, Churchill didn't have whiskey, unfortunately, or he would have been using them too. And while you're pouring it, and I quote, glance at the vermouth bottle briefly while pouring the Juniper distillate freely. So it's really one ingredient. That's gin. There's no garnish, there's no nothing. You chill the gin down and you forget about this guy over here, the Churchill Martini. It doesn't get much simpler than that, folks. Cheers, stay safe, enjoy. I feel more British. Indeed I do. Cheerio.